Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came to Mellows to check realreal, the reseller shop. They have an offline shop, so I wanted to check. So I'm gonna try on some clothes, like Chanel jacket and everything. So let's go check together. So I tried on Gucci and Chanel clothes. These have like only one size because it's used. But yeah, hopefully you can see and make reference when you buy Chanel or Gucci clothes. I tried as a set, but I would not wear as a set, But the top by itself with like jean or other skirt like this, it's gonna be so feminine and cute. This is a tweed skirt, and the top is a knit cardigan. Love this cardigan. With the same skirt, I changed top to like tweed jacket. I think this matches better. I love this detail. I love this sleeveless mini dress. It's so feminine and perfect for summer. I love this chain detail on the neckline. Try with the cardigan together, it really matches well. Love this gold tone button. Okay, this Gucci dress was a little bit small. It was like XX small. I wanted something like medium or small, but it's so cute. So I was just trying. Oh my god, see this button detail, the ribbon. And this tweed jacket was too big, but I just tried it on to see how does it look like. It's so pretty though. This ensemble of pink denim white trimming is so cute. Yeah, this pant was a little bit tight, but I just tried to match with top. This top is so cute. This kind of yellowish tweed with a red and black trimming. Love this color combination. I would say this is like signature pattern of Gucci. I love it. I love the like navy trimming with a golden button. It really matches well with the floral pattern. Love this Chanel denim jacket. Oh my god, I was almost getting this necklace. This tweed set is Chanel. So cute. This is paradise. You can see all the Hermes, Chanel. Oh my god, there's a Kelly 25 black and Constance 18 black. So cute. And Kelly Ado backpack in red. I would love to get this one. Now move on to Chanel section. Oh my god, mini bags, so cute. All the color I wanted, especially white, like pastel tone pink, and all the neutral colors. And there's a Louis Vuitton as well. Oh my god, my dream bag, Chanel medium, white color. There's a women's shoe section as well. You can check all the luxury brands. There were sunglasses section as well. Some sunglasses, it had premium So like this one is over 1,000. Can you believe? There were so many women's clothing brands, so I tried more. Montclair, Marni, and Givenchy and Alexander McQueen. This jacket was kind of unique. I just tried it on. Skirt will be better to match. I love this tweed style jacket. It's like kind of Chanel style, but it has its own their own signature color. There's leather trimming on the waist side. This was very unique. I just wanted to try it on. Montclair padding skirt. I like the black zipper all the way at the front. Okay, this Marni skirt was very heavy and thick. Very unique style, but I like the color combination. Move on to men's section. There's everything in men's section as well. This sandal with stud, so cute. I like men's Dior saddlebag. Love this Eclipse monogram clutch box. Oh my god, there's a men's shoe section. See these? Hope you enjoyed my window shopping today. If you liked my video, please subscribe. Bye!